All right, let me show you what I'm doing. Basically, I'm putting the piece of copper right on top, and then I present another empty holder on top. Right on top, I hold it with one finger to present this perfectly on top, right? Align that perfectly, and then I take the Sharpie and I mark where is, the holes. So take it out. So now I have that aligned, and now I can center the piece of steel, which I'm gonna do now. So this one is negative, this one is positive, right? So I put this. See, it moved a little bit, but that's fine because I have this aligned now. Actually, I cut this a little bit. It's kind of long. Just a little bit to make it better now. Let's see how it goes. Yep, much better. Let me realign this. So that will help me. Even the circles are going to help me to centralize the steel to make it look nice. See, the nickel. So to get it ready for spot welding. So this one is the positive, the other one is the negative, right? Let's see. Probably there is gonna be fine. Let me get it ready. Accommodating my finger, my feet. So I have the glitter set to 20T. Is pretty much 20. Let's put it like this. It's 20% of the power. So this one will go something like this. The next one will be probably something like this. I have to go in the center, but remember it's the positive this side. Let's see, probably like this. Okay. Next one. All right, that's good. Now the negative, we want to stay away from the center, so I do it in the corners. See? Probably you can do more here, just to make sure it's strong. Perfect. I like it. Perfect weld. Now let me make the next one. I have to cut probably a little bit too. Let me make sure. Yep, I need to cut a little bit. Okay. Same deal. Make it in the center. Now what I'm gonna show you after this is, let me weld this first to the center as possible. There we go. Now these one in the corners, away from the center. All right, that's good. And the last one, let me cut the excess as well. To explain why we do this is because the copper, we want to weld copper. If we try to weld copper alone, it's difficult, first of all. and doesn't weld as strong as when we do the sandwich, what we call the sandwich. And see, that's the center probably here. And so because the nickel has more resistance than the copper, so it heat up first. Probably there. So the nickel, when heat up, it passes the heat to the copper, and that's how we can weld better. So this is only 20% from the glitter power. Alright. Now what I want to show you is, after I mark this to make it nice, we can, let me make sure this is straight nicely. I'm going to see this little touch it. I want to make it completely smooth. When we put the tape on top, I don't like. There we go. Okay, now we want to take out the, I want to remove now the magic marker, the Sharpie. We take alcohol, see, like this, with a cloth, and now we can remove the marker to make it look nice. See, just like that. Just like this. And this is how we do the copper nickel sandwich. Now, with the JP40s, we need to go, see? That's how it looks like now. With the JP40, we need to go in lower settings than sometimes other batteries. This one really well, pretty good in low rates. Normally, the same setup in a moly cell, I will go up to 35%. Otherwise, we can punch a hole in the JP40. Apparently, these caps are thinner. I mean, and that's what helps the internal resistance. That's my theory. So, but absolutely they are thinner. So with less power, we can weld perfectly. I damaged one battery. I'm gonna share that by using those settings. And I'm not the first one. I mean, Kenton as well. It happened. I have experienced the same thing. So we have to lower the setting to make it nice. So I'm gonna keep going doing the rest of the battery and show. I'm gonna make a video and show you how I cut this. All right.